Okay, magandang araw po sa mga boxing fans dito sa Pilipinas and around the world. In our episode of our Boxing Daily, pag-usapan po natin ang boxing odds ni Manny Pacquiao at saka ni Floyd Mayweather. Lumabas na po ang initial odds at dihado po ang ating pambato. Bakit dihado ang ating pambato? At ano sa tingin nyo dito? Sa tanongin ko na kayo kagad, i-comment nyo ha. Ah, kung kayo ang tatanungin, ganito na lang para mas madali, no? 100% hatiin nyo. 50-50 ba? 60-40? 70-30? Ano sa tingin nyo dito sa laban na ito? At alam mo, nakikita ko ha, na ang Netflix baka gumawa ng series or ng documentary dito kay Manny Pacquiao at kay Floyd Mayweather. At ang tanong ng iba, agree ka ba? Dapat si Pacquiao at saka si Floyd Mayweather sa mas maliit ng ring maglaban para walang takbuhan. Pag-usapan po natin yan.
Podcast Sports, the number one independent sports voice of the Philippines.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Usapang boxing muna tayo. Ngayon po ay February 26. Araw-araw bumalik kayo po dito sa channel ko. Pag-usapan po natin araw-araw ang boxing update. Ngayon, Manny Pacquiao ulit tayo. Ha? At pag-usapan po natin, diba? Kaka-announce lang po ng laban ni Manny Pacquiao September 19 sa Las Vegas sa The Sphere. And I wanna let you know that I am having a campaign and naayos ko lang kasi may lakad ako sa Bohol eh. So, manonood ako sa laro po ng anak ni Manny Pacquiao, si Eman Baco sa February 28 sa Tagbilaran or sa Bohol Cultural Center sa Tagbilaran. So, abangan niyo po ako dyan kung taga Bohol kayo. Anyway, I'm having this campaign or project to bring Paukas to Las Vegas for September. Medyo mahaba pa po and I need your financial support. So if you want to help me, you can send me an email at inquiry@paukas.net or you can subscribe and you can become a member. So in either way, please let me know and please help me. Anyway, pag-usapan po natin ito. Gumawa na kagad ako ng poster at extra na kagad ako doon. Nasa likod ako, you know. Si Pau Salud nasa likod. Netflix, The Pacquiao, a reality TV show. I think this is obviously, I think what's coming next, especially as they announce the fight, September. Tama-tama yan. Maraming documentary or marketing tour na pwede silang gawin, not just the usual tour that the boxing is doing. And Netflix is doing such a great thing in doing that. Ginawa nila yan sa mga previous event nila. Actually, may mga tanong nga eh. Hindi ko alam, may mga nagko-question sa ano ba talagang gustong gawin ng Netflix. Are they supporting boxing or ano ba yung parang kasing kakaiba yung mga pinipili nila ng mga boxing events. And let me just show you this one. So far guys, since entering the live sporting arena late in 2024, Netflix has rapidly expanded its boxing portfolio. At ito yung mga event na na-promote nila so far. Jake Paul versus Mike Tyson set a record of 108 million global viewers. So that was in 2024. Jake Paul and Mike Tyson, Katie Taylor, Amanda Serrano. This one, I don't have any question kasi talagang this was a real boxing. Ito naman, Canelo versus Terence Crawford, isang malaking event din. And of course, Anthony Joshua versus Jake Paul. Anthony Joshua won by knockout 6 round. And meron na sila ngayong paparating. Itong Tyson Fury versus Arslanbek Makhmudov sa April 11. And then of course, this one is the Floyd Mayweather versus the Manny Pacquiao rematch. Yun. So, yan. May Ronda Rousey pala sila versus Gina Carano. Ako guys, ang nakikita ko dito, Netflix is very smart. No, they wanted to promote the sport of boxing, which we are very thankful of. But certainly, it has to make sense as well for the entertainment side. Kasi ang capture market ng Netflix is very wide ranging, you know. So it has to be, kumbaga, nakaka-relate ang tao. And yung kay Jake Paul, yung kay Tyson Fury, Mike Tyson, nakaka-relate ang tao. Kasi these guys are not just boxer. They're celebrities, they're icons that goes beyond the sport. And so I understand the strategy of Netflix of not only just promoting just regular fights. And this one makes sense kasi manonood, hindi lang boxing fans. You see where I'm coming from here. So I don't have any problem with Netflix starting this. And plus, they're featuring naman yung mga pure boxer or mga boxer, real professional boxers sa undercard. It's just that syempre yung headline talaga magdadala niyan. So it makes sense for me na fini-feature nila as main yung mga sikat na kahit YouTuber na Jake Paul. Actually, um, I wouldn't be surprised kung pati si Ryan Garcia makapag karoon din ng event sa Netflix. Yung mga sikat talaga. Globally, yan ang sa tingin ko mga strategy ng Netflix. So, good. Speaking of strategy, Netflix, baka naman, gawa tayo ng The Pacquiao, no? Hindi lang the Kardashians. The Pacquiao. Sama ako dyan. Netflix. Netflix Philippines. Let's go. Let's make this happen. The Pacquiao, I think this would be a good parang marketing promotional for the September 19. It's still a long way to go, and this is gonna be a long hype for the Filipinos. And I'm sure Mayweather is gonna do the same thing. So anyway, aside from that, sa mga nag-aabang ano ba ang ads, ito po yung ads. Anong sinulat nyo? 50-50, 60-40? Ito po yung ads. So according to Yahoo Sports, and this what is on BetMGM, is 1.75 favorite si Floyd Mayweather. Expected, favorite talaga siya. And si Pacquiao is the underdog plus 125. So, kumbaga, ito, implied probability of 65%. So, kung 60-40 nilagay mo, close yan. Pero parang 65-35 ang ratio po ng odds. So, yeah, may plus 140 pa, oh. Plus 125. So, yan po yung current odds ng so dihado talaga si Pacquiao. So para sa mga Pilipino diyan, mukhang malaki-laki ang iuwi natin. But just in case po I'm sponsored by Arena Plus, they're PAGCO registered. Kung iba man yung gamit nyo, please try yung Arena Plus kasi at least legit at safe yung pera nyo. At saka po syempre, Pauka Sports, kung supporter kita, please message me na lang, and I have a link in the description. And you have to game responsibly, guys. I just wanted to let you know, and 21 years old and above. So we don't promote those kind of things. So legitimate lang tayo. But regarding naman sa ads na to, I actually kind of agree with this. Floyd Mayweather is still bigger, although he's older. He's undefeated for a reason. And although again, I still believe Manny Pacquiao is gonna win the next time around. This is totally different situation. All right. So let me know what you think on the comment and if you agree with me, guys, or disagree. And yung Pacquiao reality, i-comment natin. Let's Netflix, let's make it happen. All right, bukas ulit, guys, ha.